Hi there, before showing you the software, I want to briefly touch on the what, the why, and the how of this software. Basically, this software was born because every person who claims to run a YouTube faceless automation channel completely entirely in automatic is lying. Even though they use AI and automation to speed up the process, they still have to do manual stuff like come up with a prompt, generate idea, copy the good idea, use it in another prompt to generate the script, take the script, generate the audio from the script, then generate the images, go to an editing software, put together images, audio, the music, a lot of stuff. Every video still require 20 minutes, 30 minutes to elaborate. And the problem isn't just that to create a video is time consuming, it's also that if you want to create a video with some particular information that GPT hasn't access to, for example, information more recent than 2021, you can't come up with a script using just GPT because it doesn't have the access to that type of information. So the idea is to come up with a software that enables you to generate hundreds of video in bulk, fully customizable in bulk from your own information. So not just GPT, but your own ebook, your own articles, your own video YouTubes, information that GPT doesn't have access to. And without typing, so with just a few clicks and 20 minutes of waiting, you have 100 videos ready. Okay, let's go in the software, I'll show you how it works. Okay, everything starts here in the Generate Ideas tab, where you can generate a bunch of ideas, as many ideas as you want, from a resource of your choice. So here you will select the type of resource you want to input the system. It can be a sitemap, so it will scan an entire website and generate ideas, an article, a video YouTube, so it will transcribe the YouTube videos and elaborate ideas from that. MP3, MP4, image or PDF. For example, if you download a digital book as a PDF, you can input here and generate ideas. For this example, I will use article, and I will upload this article, 10 puzzling unsolved mysteries from ancient history. Let me paste it here, and here we can select generate ideas. So we can select the number of ideas to generate from this article. I will say 6, for example, and add to database. If I click add to database, it will save the information from this article in a database. So when we will elaborate the script for the video, we can retrieve the information from the data we fed the system and not random information from ChatGPT. So now if I click elaborate, we will find our ideas, video ideas, in the create script tabs. Let's do this. Okay, it's done. If now we go to the create script tabs, we can see it created a bunch of video ideas, more than 5 as you can see, because it has a life of its own and it likes to flex. And we can customize every single idea to elaborate a script as we want. So let's say we want to elaborate this idea, then I don't know, this idea, Miami. Is there something about aliens? I want aliens. No aliens. Let's see, Sulawesi. Okay, let's do this. Now we can either personalize each video, so we personalize this information in this panel here, or we can bulk edit every idea selected. So if I go here, we can go to the settings of the script generation, and let's go step by step. Here we can change the script settings. We can, as said before, we can use the database information to create the script, or just use GPT. And to do that, use the database info. We have to have some information in the database uploaded before. Otherwise it doesn't work. So I will, in this case, I will use the database information and read the information from the previous article. So it will read it will elaborate this idea from the information in the article and not random information on GPT. Let's say the video duration it's 30 seconds. The script style is evocative, punchy, and straightforward. Now, image structure, because this video is a series of images, we can select if it's a single image or more images. I select more images and I'll say I want an image every 5 seconds. Okay. Now, if we click modify selected, every selected idea will be modified with these settings. Also, we can modify these even manually. So for this video, I want a single image. I want this video long 90 seconds and I want it not straightforward. Image doesn't matter because I have a single image. So now we have 3 videos selected. I can also select 20, 100 of them, doesn't matter. I can elaborate this idea. When I click elaborate ideas, it will create a script. Let's do that. It's elaborating, it's blue, let's wait. Okay, generated all the ideas. Before moving on, I want to show quickly that we can also fully customize the idea, create the idea we want, also add an idea from scratch. So if I click add idea, it will add a blank idea here. So we can skip the first generate ideas tab and go directly to generate idea. I use GPT only. Doesn't matter. So let's go to elaborate videos tab and let's see the script elaborated. 3 idea, 3 script, as you can see. And here we have all the settings at the right of the script to customize the video creation. So let's go step by step. Let's say we want to elaborate these 2 scripts. Let's do all 3. So let's select all. Elaborate these 3 scripts into a video. Like always, we can customize in bulk. So I want the Adam voice. There will be a lot of voice here for now. I'm in beta, so just 3 voice. Adam, the music, I will add this music I added before. The volume will be 15 out of 100. Then Leonardo AI model is the model that will generate the images. It's a kind of a mid-journey. There are different models based on the type of image you want. For example, absolute reality, I like it. More image, we already have selected more images here. I selected here because we need it again here. I'll explain why shortly. The image style, for example, I want insane details for the style of the image. And then we select with subtitles and without subtitles. Let's say with subtitles. Modify selected. Everything as the settings we set up above. And you can see that the first script is with the image tag here. The last one is without, because here we selected single image that now it's overridden with what we did here. So we go back to single image, because what happens to the single image, we just create an image and use it for all the script. With the more image, this will interpret the text as it follows. What is in the image tags, it will be here will create an image with this prompt. Then this image will be applied to this text, and then another image applied to this text, and so on, so on, so on. So here we can put more text here for the image, change the script here, or change the prompt of the image creation. So tape measure, show its size, blah blah blah. I'll leave it like it is. Perfect. Now let's process these images. This doesn't need anything because just an image. I have to improve the prompt because it gives me these things before and after. The prompt is field I have to improve. Here in the future we can also automatically create version of the video in Italian, Espanol, Arab. So one output equals more outputs. If for example now, if I put this to elaborate, it will elaborate the same video also in Espanol, Italian and Arab. Okay, so let's say no subtitles here to go faster, and elaborate. Also here, like before, we can add a new brand new script at the bottom and create a script from scratch and start from here and skipping the first 2 steps. Okay, so after 10 minutes, a bunch of click and potentially zero typing, I have 3 videos created. I'll send the links of this video together with the video I'm recording now. And I don't even know what they talk about. I didn't read the script. I don't know the article what was talking about. And these are 3 for this example, but I could have generated hundreds, thousands of videos all together just with selecting all, changing all, elaborating all. And I'm still finding the use case for this software. For now, I thought about YouTube automation, but it can have more potential for sure. For example, teachers to make their content more digestible instead of reading quick reels to explain history, for example. Or for example, create content before anyone else. For example, when Hormozi launched his new book, I could have taken his entire book the day after he launched, put in the software, generate thousands of videos from his book, and the day after I would have a lot of content from the new information from Hormozi. No one has already read the book, but I already have all the contents about the book. Still finding the use cases, but I'm here to receive advice, feedback. One last thing, here I want to add things to create thumbnail, automatic thumbnail, automatic titles. Also here in the subtitles, for now they are default, but I am adding style, so the position, the font, the colors, the size. And I also want to add a watermark, because for YouTube automation, a lot of people use watermark. Let me know what you think. Any feedback is welcome. If you would like to use the software, tell me why not. Any feedback is precious. Thanks in advance.